Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and USB debugging so your PC can communicate with the device. Once done, install Android SDK platform tools on your computer and connect the phone via a reliable USB cable. Make sure to back up the specific folder and any important files to your PC or cloud before changing permissions. This avoids data loss. Now confirm the device appears in a DB devices, because if it doesn't, you can't proceed to the permission fixes. You'll now use a DB shell to inspect the folder and identify current owner and permission bits. Next, if ownership is wrong, switch to root or media user and run chown r media rw on the target path. This aligns with Android 14 media user model. After ownership, set permissions with chmod r770 or adjust specific files. If the app targets scoped storage, use the storage access framework instead. That's often why direct permission changes won't work and why you may need to request user consent in app. To finalize, restart the media server or reboot the device so ownership and permission updates take effect. Then open the folder in File Manager and the app that previously showed the error to verify access. This confirms success. If access is still blocked, revoke and regrant the app storage permission in settings right arrow apps right arrow permissions because Android 14 can cache old grants. If problems persist, check logs via a DB logcat for specific denial messages and restore your backup if you need to revert changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.